everyone, thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you have a coffee machine supplier business and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the multi-sites platform. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, coffee machine supplier. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our coffee machine supplier business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city over here as well as my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on that continue button and let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. Also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites of the various coffee machines you supply. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding or have any web professional skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and pop in my email address for my business over here. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website for customers to reach out. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. Great thing about that location, when your customers actually click on the address when your website is live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your business. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a logo for your business, head on over to the next section and click on Update Logo. Once your logo has been uploaded, if you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters, frames, you can click on this pencil over it. Otherwise, click on Save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with the colors, we pre-selected them for you. If you'd like to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, go ahead and click on the paint bucket, bottom right hand corner, find a suitable color palette for your business. There's so many of them to choose from. Awesome. This is looking absolutely fantastic, so professional and clean, and it's only going to cost you $9 a month. Remember, and there is that free trial available, so click on the link down below. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath that section. Let's head on over to update image first. Over here is where you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free for you to use. You can play around with the keywords and just see what images pop up. Now, if you go back to all the photo options, we recently introduced a feature where you can actually connect your Instagram account over here and pull in your Instagram images if you have a profile instead of uploading them individually. It's super convenient. You literally, with a click of a button, can connect your Instagram accounts and pull in all those images. Under update action is where you can change that button. Perhaps you don't want it to say contact us today. You can amend that text. And under choose link is where you can link those buttons to various places as well as upload a PDF file. Under update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written. Awesome. Let's scroll down to the bottom. And the last section over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you. All they need to just put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified by your registered email that you have a new lead from this form. You can also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on this button at the bottom, connect your domain. So I already have a domain. Otherwise, you can purchase a new domain via the Marty Size platform by clicking on the green button. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your coffee machine supplier business, and really wishing you and your business Marty success.